Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.2%. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair fell 1.7% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.1% during the session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold prices edged down to end last week, pressured by a stronger US dollar and Treasury yields. But a weak job growth data from the world's biggest economy prompted analysts to increase expectations for a rate cut from the Federal Reserve, limiting some losses. Intel will be replaced by Nvidia on the blue-chip Dow Jones Industrial Average Index after a 25-year run, underscoring the shift in the chip-making market and marking another setback for the struggling semiconductor firm. Oil prices edged up on Friday on reports Iran was preparing a retaliatory strike on Israel from Iraq, but record US output weighed on prices. Overall for the week, Brent posted a decline of about 4%, with WTI down about 3%.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US factory orders will be released at 15 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. The US 3-year note auction will be released at 18 GMT. The Austrian unemployment rate at 8 GMT. Japan's monetary base at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.